Hello everyone and welcome to Qualcomm CE tutorials. In this video we'll see how to create draft on the faces of a solid part using the Solidworks. The draft feature becomes very important when you are dealing with the parts made using the manufacturing process like casting or molding, where the ejection of part becomes easy when you provide the draft on the faces of the solid part. So let's begin it. So in this example let us create this 3D part and we want to create draft on these two faces of the part and with the draft angle of 1.5 degree. So in order to create the draft, we'll first go to the insert features and select here the draft feature. So once the draft feature is open, we can create it by the two method, manual method or draft expert method. So in this video we'll just go through the manual method using the neutral plane method. So when we are selecting neutral plane as a type of draft, we require two things. One is the neutral plane that will act as a reference plane and it will be used to calculate the draft angle for that face. The second one will be the faces where we want to create the draft. So in our example, we want to create draft on these two faces. So for the neutral plane, we'll select here this bottom as a neutral plane. It is generally the plane that is perpendicular to the direction of the ejection of part. So we'll select this plane as a neutral plane. So it can be face of a solid part or it can be a plane. Then we have to select the faces to draft where we'll select these two faces. And the last one is we have to specify the draft angle. So it can be different for the different parts and for the different manufacturing processes. So in this example, we'll select 1.5 degree and click on OK. So here we can see that it has created outward draft. So if you just want to reverse the direction of the draft, you can click on this reverse direction button and as a result the draft will be inward draft opposite to the outward draft. In the upcoming videos we'll see different methods of creating the draft. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video then please hit on the like button, share it and subscribe to this channel Qualcomm CE tutorials. Thanks.